4-stroke Yamaha Superjet to unlock... I'm looking around.
That's all right.
It's
You're
good.
doing fine. Just
Okay,
you're just talking to me.
I'm talking to
You're
you.
just talking to me. What are we doing?
Welcome to the Bad to Rad series. So, as I was going around the booty course, I got more and more confident, and I had 0 blowout issues. That I...
That's good.
Is it called blowout? Steven made a face. It was really funny. This is for the bloopers. As I was going around the booty course, I... Okay. On this episode... Welcome to nothing new. Welcome from the Bad to Rads.
You said welcome from the Bad to Rad series.
Welcome to the Bad to Rad series.
The Bad to...
Welcome to the Bad to Rad series, where we take the 4-stroke Yamaha Superjet from bad to rad. Was that really?
That's a great name.
Was that really bad? Because while this does gain more traction, I'm just sure as ever I ever am. Welcome to the Bad to Rad series, where we take the 20... Okay.
There's no script.
Welcome to episode 2. Welcome to episode 2. I'm doing it as like my enclosure talk. Welcome to episode 2 of Closure Talk. Opposite. Well, welcome to episode 2 of Bad to Rad. I just forgot what I was gonna say.
Here's the before and after.
Okay. Yeah, I'm like, oh no. Here's the before and after video that we took of the bar and the nozzle movement. Is it working? Oh yeah. Ooh.
Oh. Wow. Wow. Tender. Okay. Not gonna work like I thought.
Okay. Okay, so got that there. Wondering if what we're doing? What video is this about? There's a little bit extra too that you can't see, so you can't guess that. All right, we got someone who saw the Superjet from the street. Very cool. So they just want to see one in person. They're cool skis. People are interested in them for sure. Okay, happy Sunday. We are pulling another 7-day week. So today we're going to be finishing up some builds. And we're bringing the Superjet here to shoot another Bad to Rad, and this is going to be kind of the vlog video mate to it that we'll be posting as well. But it's about to come in that door, and we're going to do some cool stuff. Alright, I'm coming. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Commercial doors are made for Superjets.
It's another plus.
And so I'm trying to do some mood lighting for the Superjet video. And Steven's over here trying to work in the dark.
You know, I like to eat. You like to play.
So, for the vlog here, we forgot the funnel for the upcoming Superjet oil change video. And so Steven went to the gas station and got that and some beer. And that's a good way to make a gas station attendant quite uncomfortable.
Some weird looks.
A funnel and some beer. No man, we're just doing an oil change. Okay, so yesterday's big Superjet filming process did not happen. So we had to come back and take care of the babies. So today we're taking them with us. And we will see if we can do our Bad to Rad. So here's the vlog. The next day. Yeah, like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little big. No. Ooh, look at that. Got that rad off. Okay.
Yeah. You look nutty as usual.
Butthole.
Hey.
What she barks. Hey, get somewhere, Leah.
Yep.
Welcome to the Bad to Rad series. In this 3rd episode, we're going to be working on changing the oil in this 4-stroke Yamaha Superjet. we're gonna take out the bag and put in the rag. So I guess you can come in closer as I start talking. Are you going?
Yeah, we're going.
Okay.
Come on, teeth.
Some of the stuff that you're gonna need for the some of the items that you're gonna need for the oil change.
Dude, that was awesome.
Oil, fresh, new oil. Pliers, vice grips, something like that, something easy. That's for the clamp. That's what to pull off the
more.
Oh.
Don't be laying down. Don't be sitting.
The first thing you need.
That's what I thought.
Still going. Pliers also are a good bottle opener when you don't have one. Skats. Let me see if I can.
Mm-hmm.
No, wash my hands. No, because it's not just I don't wash my hands.
This is part of it.
This is the vlog. Alright, we're gonna. You want me to show you how to wash hands? Kind of like a surgeon, but with oil. So you gotta get a little bit of water. Yeah, turn the water off. And you gotta scrub. I need some more. See, I'm not getting enough suds for a proper hand washing video. So you scrub it. It's not like you can see the oil since this oil is in such good shape. But yeah, in between the fingers, around the fingernails. Turn the water back on. If you have hot water, probably good. But we only have cold water here. Make sure you get all the soap off. Good scrub-a-dub. Oh yeah, squeaky clean. Be sure to flick everybody with water. Take your paper towels. Good and dry, all up the arm. Look at that, no more oil. We have the aftermath of the Superjet oil change. I think it went swimmingly. I have yet to see any of the footage though. Steven's the one who videoed it, but I feel strong, especially the hand washing scene.